It's time for your daily dose of inspiration. I'm Jen Eads, and this is the UkuDaily Dispatch. Welcome. Today's dispatch ditty is all about cleaning house. To make room and space for all of that abundance, that love, that success, whatever it is that you're desiring. You've got to have room for it somewhere. So you need to get rid of whatever it is that's no longer serving you. Here's today's dispatch ditty. I'm cleaning house. I'm cleaning house. I'm making space. What no longer serves me is getting replaced with my desires, my hopes and dreams, love and abundance they will bring. I'm shedding layers that kept me small, finding strength to go for it all. I'll bare my soul, open my heart. No more living in the dark. I'm cleaning house. I'm making space. What no longer serves me is getting replaced with my desires, my hopes and dreams, the love and abundance they will bring. I'm making room for all these better things. It's time to make room for what you really want in your life. If you know somebody that needs to hear this song, please share this episode with them. Don't be stingy and hang on to it all to your little self. I'm hanging out on Instagram. I would love to connect with you there. You'll find me at Brassy Jen. Thanks for tuning in. Now get out in the world and do good. The UkuDaily Dispatch is a production of the Brassy Broadcasting Company.